Top 10 Phone Repair in Manhattan. 1. CPR Cell Phone Repair, 5-1505 Reviews, East 14th Street. 2. WeFixMAX Computer and Phone Repair NYC, 5-483 Reviews, St. Nicholas Avenue Store 8. 3. QuickTech Phone Repairs, 5-251 Reviews, 3rd Avenue Lower Level. 4. uBreakiFix Phone and Computer Repair, 4.9-1015 Reviews, Greenwich Avenue. 5. iFix New York, Midtown, 4.9-399 Reviews, 5th Avenue 15th floor. 6. Fix and More Repair Phones, selling phones and accessories. 4.9-301 Reviews, East 110th Street. 7. Fix and Go New York Cell Phone and Computer Repair, 4.9-250 Reviews, East 62nd Street. 8. iPhone Repair Service, BuyandFix Phones, 4.9-190 Reviews, 5th floor Suite 5073. 9. iPhone Repair NYC, 4.8-654 Reviews, East 39th Street 9th floor Suite 903. 10. iFixScreens Greenwich Village, 4.8-352 Reviews, West 8th Street.